How to choose the right stock for higher dividends. In the last video, I have mentioned few top dividend paying stocks in India. But how do you choose the one that provides higher returns? Let's see that now. Let's consider the final dividends of two consistent dividend paying stocks, Castrolindia and Heromotocorp. On February 1st, 2021, Castrolindia declared 3 rupees as dividend per share. And on June 6, 2020, Heromotocorp declared 25 rupees as dividend per share. Which one would you choose? In this case, if you chose Heromotocorp over Castrol because the dividends per share is higher, then you're at loss. And let me explain why. To compare the dividends of stocks, we use a factor called dividend yield. Dividend yield is the ratio of dividend per share to its current stock price. With this knowledge, let's reconsider our example. In case of Castrolindia, dividend per share is 3 rupees and the current market price is 135. So the dividend yield is 3 divided by 135 multiplied by 100, which is 2.2. So the dividend yield of Castrolindia is 2.2. In case of Heromotocorp, the dividend per share is 25 rupees and the current market price is 3,350. So the dividend yield is 25 divided by 3,350 multiplied by 100, which is 0.7. So the dividend yield of Heromotocorp is 0.7. Comparing both, it's obvious that the dividend yield of Heromotocorp is lower than Castrolindia. Now, how does this affect your return? To understand that, let's see this in more depth. Consider you bought 100 stocks from Castrolindia in Jan 2018. At that time, its share price was 194. So your total investment for 100 stocks is 194 multiplied by 100, that is 19,400 rupees. Now let's calculate the dividend. The dividend per share is 3 rupees as we have seen already. So total dividend received for 100 stocks is 3 multiplied by 100, that is 300 rupees. So you receive 300 rupees as dividend for an investment of 19,400 rupees. Similarly, consider you bought 100 stocks from Heromotocorp on Jan 2018. At that time, its share price was 3,810. So the total investment for 100 stocks is 3,810 multiplied by 100, that is 3,81,000 rupees. Now let's calculate the dividend. The dividend per share is 25 rupees. The total dividend for 100 stocks is 2,500 rupees. So you receive 2,500 rupees as dividend for an investment of 3,81,000 rupees. If you have invested the same amount of 3,81,000 in Castrolindia, which is 19 times higher, your total dividend would have been 300 multiplied by 19, that is 5,700 rupees. Thus, the shareholder of Castrolindia receives higher return as compared to Heromotocorp for his investment as per this example. Hence, higher dividend per share doesn't necessarily mean higher returns for your investment. It is important to look at dividend yield in conjunction with other factors like sale, net profit, dividend payout percent, etc. So, let's see the other factors in detail in the following videos. I hope this helps. Thank you.